So this one has 4 tabs and this has 2. So still the wrong one.
You got a cigarette lighter?
For what?
Make it like that.
Oh, no. I mean, I soldered it. It's just, it's not good. I'm heating the wire up too much. It'll cause problems. Well, I mean, there's a lot of hot, there's big wire, and there's a reason, because it pulls a lot of amps.
Well, you finished it.
What's that? Yeah. All you need is, you can make sure to unplug that thing though.
Right, I'm doing it now.
Okay. And Dalton wants to make his own mechanic shop. But he wants to not fool a lot of stuff.
He's fucking lazy. Fucking lazy. Do one car, he had to go home. After he finished one car today, he went home. Yeah. Went home at 1 o'clock.
He will not show up.
Then his mama works there.
I don't care who works there.
No, his mama's there.
Yeah.
That's the one I was telling you yesterday. I don't know. She's coming up on me.
She feels sorry.
Yeah, she don't know she's coming up on me.
Alright.
Should I grab the red amount of
You got one more. Alright. So let's get this all together.
Nah, need some black tape.
Oh, I could have cut all these off, but oh well. Alright, so A goes to tan. B goes to, it's supposed to be yellow, but this one's white. C goes to purple. D goes to light blue. E goes to black. F goes to orange, and G goes to red. That one's pink though, and I need to get this one off. You did grab the right amount. I needed that one last one.
That's what I said. I just grabbed. Man, they'll close on Saturday.
Yeah, we are.
So you gonna close Saturdays over there?
I don't think we're gonna be able to do that over there.
Or you gonna leave it open?
I mean, probably the same as y'all already are with that.
Or do it every other Saturday. Work a Saturday, off a Saturday, work a Saturday, off a Saturday.
I don't know how that's gonna work yet. But now, I'm gonna go grab my torch. All right, here we go.
Yeah, look, that's
That stuff doesn't work too good.
no, that works on the straps.
Yeah,
That's for that. That's not
I don't like that. It needs to melt though, unless you want them tucked out of the way.
Yeah.
All right.
When I put that, she gonna hit it with a foot. Pull them down.
All right. Go ahead and turn the key on. Let's see if they all work.
On.
Yeah. Turn the blower on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, and we know 5 isn't gonna work.
5's in my hand.
Huh?
5's in my hand.
Okay.
I'll run the car for